These curls is popping, okay?
You give me the I shall return, and I must. You got me. Hook on you, hook on you, hook on your up. Hook on you, hook on your up. Hook on you, hook on you, hook on your up. You got me falling in love.
Buen dia, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wash and go routine. My wash and go routine for the most part stays the same. I just use different products, and I think I want to start doing something on my channel where I try different products together and see the outcome of my wash and go, or try different techniques and see the outcome of my wash and go. So with this video, what I wanted to do, it has been 1 year since I did my big chop video. If you haven't watched that video already, stop what you're doing, go back to January last year, 2019, and go and watch that video. I had a ponytail in my hair in December and last year, and it messed up my hair and gave me a bald spot, if you guys can remember. And this is what the bald spot looks like now. It's basically gone, like, but the middle of my hair is extremely short because it's growing, but I don't care because it's growing back, and once it's growing, I'm good. You can't see the bald spot really. Sal always tells me like it's not really that noticeable. It left a scar, but when my hair is done, you can't really see it. So that's fine with me as long as it's not a big old hole sitting in the middle of my scalp. But for today's video, what I want to be doing is doing my wash and go routine. For the most part, it stays the same. I don't really do anything that different. The only thing that I do different is use different products in my hair to get different outcomes, even though the goal is to typically have the same outcome of all my wash and goes, even though I know that's like impossible, but you know, we're gonna try to do that. So yeah, so I think what I want to start doing is using different products in my hair, different conditioners, shampoos, and styling products, and seeing what the outcome is, seeing how my hair reacts to these different products. So since it's January, I figured why not start doing this now. So today's going to be my first video of doing a wash and go and showing you guys the results of that wash and go. So I have these little packets that I got from the Hue Affair that I went to in the summertime, and I will be doing my shampoo and conditioner with Aunt Jackie's. This is what it looks like. This is the Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo and Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. This is what I'll be washing and conditioning with today. For the most part, I think I'm going to be styling with Design Essentials. I love this, the almond and avocado curling cream. I haven't decided if I'm going to be using gel on top of it or I'll be going with the mousse, because I did try a mousse for one of my wash and goes and it looked amazing. So I haven't decided, but for the most part, this will be my styling cream of today, and this is going to be my conditioner and my shampoo. So that's about it. Let's get into this video. And I am all rinsed out from that shampoo that I just put in. So now I'm going to be using their Rescued conditioner. That's what they call it. And I'm going to be coating my hair from the roots to the end in this conditioner, because that's what I do. And it's supposed to be a deep conditioner or treatment. So I'm supposed to get out and be under like a hooded dryer or like leave a cap on for like 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna leave it in my hair, tie my hair up, and then shower as regular, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So hopefully that does the trick. Oh, she thick. She is thick, but not as thick as me, boo, okay? I'm going to take a bath, let this sit in my hair, and then when I'm done, I'll wash it out with cool to cold water. Sometimes I push the limit and it be freezing cold. And make sure when you take a bath, you wash with a rag. Wash your feet, wash it all. Don't be nasty. Don't be nasty. Don't be nasty. Okay, so I am done. I washed out with extremely cold water. This is the results. For the most part, I liked that conditioner very much. The shampoo is just whatever because I just do my scalp, but for the conditioner, it was A1. So now I'm going to apply product to my hair, and I'm going to be diffusing because I don't feel like air drying. We're trying to get definition, okay? We're trying to get body, okay? So no air drying, diffusing. That's what we're doing. Speaking of my diffuser, it's a new decade. It's the beginning of a new decade, and this has been with me since the beginning of the last decade that just ended. So I will be getting a new blow dryer and a new diffuser piece. So look out for that. You know, I have put a poll up on Instagram asking if I should chop my hair off again, because this has been a year of growth, which is crazy, since I did my big chop last January, and the people have spoken. The people said, let your hair grow out, sis. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grow my hair out. I heard y'all, heard you say less. I'm gonna be using Design Essentials, their almond and avocado curling cream, and I decided to go with Palmer's Natural Fusions gel styler, and it looks like this. This one is the Rosemary and Aloe Curl and Quench Gel Styler. So first pair of 2020. Let's see how it goes. For those who don't know the consistency, this is the consistency. I love it. It smells so good. OD, so my curls can look poppin'. Don't be stingy with product. That's one thing I can tell you. Don't be stingy with product, because this product is what's gonna make your curls pop. This is what's gonna make your hair defined. This is what does it. You wanna really work it in there, so don't be stingy with product. I don't know who these companies be talking to when they be saying, oh, apply a dime-sized amount. Dime-sized, not happening. Now, I am letting my hair grow out, but I do need to get my hair cut again because my bangs are extremely long. So for my bang, I like to start with my little bald spotters and make a little triangle in the front of my head. And this is going to be my bang. I decided to add a little bit of leave-in conditioner because I forgot, and I usually put that before my styler or my gel or my mousse or whatever it is. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this True by Made Beautiful, the nourishing leave-in conditioner, and it has shea, honey, coconut, and mango. Sorry for the noise outside. I live in Brooklyn. finger coiled both of these sides, and now I'm just going to do my bang part. Okay, so now I'm going to be diffusing, and I don't know if I'm going to sit here the entire time because I have a newborn baby. I have an infant that I have to take care of, and I have to be going in and out and back and forth. So enjoy what you get on camera if I don't record the entire thing. This is the result of my wash and go using the Aunt Jackie's conditioner and shampoo, using the Design Essential Styling Cream, the True by Made Beautiful leave-in conditioner, and the Palmer's gel. This is my results, and for the most part I love my hair. I love how it looks. I love how it dried. The only thing I have to say is that I need to get a curly cut done so that I could get shape back into my hair, so that I could wear my bang again. But also, this is day one here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So today is day 2. I woke up the next morning. Last night I had put my hair in a pineapple. I took it out and fluffed it because I like big hair. And these are the results. So that's all that I have for you guys in today's video. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you are, thanks for rocking with me. Give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out a lot, duh. And share with your family and friends. Leave comments down below. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.